Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for the Tapsco River, including Baltimore Harbor, Chesapeake Bay from Goulds Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, until 5:30 p.m. At 3:57 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm capable of producing wind gusts in excess of 34 knots over Riviera Beach. This thunderstorm was drifting southeast. This thunderstorm will be near Riviera Beach, Sparrows Point, Bodkin Point, 7-Foot Knoll, Magathie River, Baltimore Lighthouse. Wind gusts of at least 34 knots. Locally, high waves and dangerous lightning can't be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Baltimore